Have you ever wondered who was the first human to venture into the vast expanse of space? Picture it. The year is 1961, an era where the line between science fiction and reality was starting to blur. The concept of space travel, once a far-fetched dream confined to the pages of Jules Verne's novels, was about to transform into a significant chapter in human history. This was the dawn of mankind's journey to space, a venture that would redefine our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The cosmos, a vast, infinite expanse of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, was no longer a distant reality. It was a frontier, a new horizon, a challenge that humankind was ready to take on. But who was the pioneer that would lead us into this new era? Who was the first to leave the confines of our planet, to break free from the gravitational shackles that bound us to Earth and venture into the unknown? Enter Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet Air Force pilot. A man of humble beginnings, born on a collective farm in a small village, who would go on to become an icon of human achievement. Gagarin, a name synonymous with courage and the spirit of exploration, was about to embark on a journey that would etch his name in the annals of history. On the 12th of April 1961, Gagarin climbed aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft, a spherical capsule with just enough room for one. As the countdown reached zero, the engines roared to life, and Gagarin was launched into the cosmos, marking the beginning of a new chapter in human evolution. For 108 minutes, Gagarin orbited the Earth, forever changing our perception of the universe and our place within it. His journey was a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Yuri Gagarin, an ordinary man with an extraordinary destiny, paved the way for mankind's journey to the stars. His voyage opened the doors to space exploration, setting the stage for the countless space missions that would follow and inspiring a generation to look up and dream. But how did we arrive at this historic moment? It all began with the space race. A clash of titans, the United States and the Soviet Union, set against the tense backdrop of the Cold War. You see, in the mid-20th century, the world was divided into two major power blocks. On one side stood the United States, a beacon of democracy and capitalism. On the other, the Soviet Union, a stronghold of communism and state control. As each sought to assert dominance, a new battleground emerged, the vast, uncharted expanse of space. But why space, you may wonder? Well, it was about more than just bragging rights. It was about demonstrating technological prowess, military strength, and ideological superiority. The stakes were high, and the race was on. The space race catapulted space exploration to the forefront, accelerating scientific advancements at an unprecedented pace. It started with satellites, then space probes, and before we knew it, we were sending humans into orbit. The world watched in awe as the boundaries of what was possible were pushed further and further. Yet it wasn't just about competition. The space race sparked a global fascination with the cosmos, inspiring generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. It showed us that even the sky was not a limit, but a new frontier waiting to be explored. The space race, fueled by rivalry and ambition, brought us closer to the stars than ever before. April 12, 1961, a date forever etched in human history, the day we first broke free from Earth's gravity. On this remarkable day, the Vostok 1 mission was launched by the Soviet Union, catapulting humanity into a new era of discovery and exploration. The hero of this mission was none other than Yuri Gagarin, a young Soviet pilot who became the first human to journey into outer space. Gagarin's mission was a testament to human ingenuity and courage. The Vostok 1 spacecraft was a rudimentary capsule, barely larger than a small car. The mission was fraught with risks and uncertainties, but the desire to explore the unknown outweighed the fear of failure. The spacecraft was launched atop a Vostok K rocket, its engines roaring as it punched a hole in the sky, reaching for the stars. As Gagarin ascended into the abyss, he experienced weightlessness for the first time. Imagine being unshackled from the force that has held you down your entire life, floating in a capsule with the vast expanse of space outside your window. It's a feeling only a handful of people have ever experienced. Inside the capsule, Gagarin was alone, but not lonely. He was in constant communication with ground control, providing them with updates about his condition and the spacecraft's status. The mission was automated, but Gagarin was trained to take manual control if necessary. Fortunately, that was not required. For 108 minutes, Gagarin was in space, orbiting the Earth once. He saw our planet from a perspective no one had ever seen before. Gazing upon the Earth, he remarked, "Circling the Earth in the orbital spaceship, I marveled at the beauty of our planet. People of the world, let us safeguard and enhance this beauty, not destroy it." Upon re-entry, Gagarin ejected from the capsule and parachuted back to Earth, landing safely in a field in Russia. His mission was a resounding success. Gagarin's single orbit around the Earth marked a new era in human exploration. His journey into space was not just a triumph for the Soviet Union, but a victory for all of humanity. For the first time, we had ventured beyond our world, taking our first steps into the cosmos. Gagarin's voyage was not just a victory for him or the USSR, but a victory for mankind. This single event, a man being launched into the cosmos, would leave an indelible mark on human history. It was a testament to our species' relentless pursuit of knowledge and our undying curiosity about the world beyond our own. The aftermath of the first human spaceflight was profound. It opened up a whole new realm of possibilities. The world was captivated by Gagarin's journey, and the resulting enthusiasm for space exploration was infectious. This singular achievement sparked a global interest in space, from the classrooms of budding scientists to the boardrooms of tech companies. Over the years, this interest has not waned, but rather intensified. The first human spaceflight was a catalyst for a flurry of advancements in space exploration. It paved the way for the Apollo missions that would land humans on the Moon, the construction of the International Space Station, and the development of the Mars rovers. But this was not just about exploring distant planets and galaxies. The advancements that followed Gagarin's voyage brought about significant benefits here on Earth. Technologies developed for space exploration have found their way into our everyday lives. From GPS systems that guide us on our journeys to solar panels that power our homes, we are reaping the rewards of this space age. Moreover, the first human spaceflight highlighted the need for international cooperation in space exploration. It brought about a sense of unity among nations, as we collectively marveled at the vastness of the cosmos and our place within it. This spirit of unity and cooperation is something we continue to embrace as we venture further into the unknown. Gagarin's journey, therefore, was much more than a single trip into orbit. It was a voyage that sparked a global interest in space, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. It marked the beginning of an era where we, as a species, dared to look beyond our own planet and reach for the stars. Gagarin's journey sparked a global interest in space, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. More than 6 decades later, Gagarin's legacy continues to inspire us. The dawn of mankind's journey to space was not a solitary event, but rather the spark that ignited a burning desire for exploration, a desire that still fuels our endeavors today. This flame of curiosity led to the creation of the International Space Station, a monument to international cooperation and our collective thirst for knowledge. Orbiting the Earth every 90 minutes, the ISS serves as our home away from home, a space laboratory where we continually learn about life in the cosmos. Our understanding of space-time and even ourselves has grown exponentially through the experiments conducted on this celestial outpost. But our journey doesn't stop at the edges of our own atmosphere. Our eyes are set on distant horizons, on the red sands of Mars. With numerous missions already under our belt and several more planned for the future, we are inching closer and closer to setting foot on the Martian surface. These missions are not just about planting a flag on alien soil. They are about understanding our place in the universe, about answering the age-old question, are we alone? The prospect of human space travel has evolved from a dream into a tangible reality. Private companies, once mere spectators in this cosmic play, are now active participants, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Space tourism, lunar bases, asteroid mining, these are no longer the stuff of science fiction, but real, achievable goals that could be realized within our lifetime. We stand on the precipice of a new era, an era where space is not just the domain of astronauts and scientists, but a playground for all of humanity. Gagarin's flight was the first step, a step that set us on a path of discovery and exploration that we continue to walk today. And as we venture further and further into the cosmos, we carry with us the spirit of Yuri Gagarin. His courage, his determination, his insatiable curiosity. These are the qualities that fuel our journey, the qualities that will guide us as we push the boundaries of our existence. As we continue our journey to the stars, we remember Yuri Gagarin, the man who took the first step. So next time when you gaze up at the stars, remember, it all started with one man's journey. A journey that changed the course of human history forever. The dawn of mankind's journey to space. The first human spaceflight.